If you have an older laptop that has a DVD drive that you don't use, you can install a hard disk in place of this DVD drive so that to get more storage. To be able to do this, you need something called hard disk caddy. This is a small item that you can buy from Amazon or from other computer sites or shops, and it costs no more than $12, and this will act as a caddy for the hard disk. The hard disk will go here and it will be installed in place of the DVD drive. I'm gonna show you now how to install it, but before we do this, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel so to support it and to get notified of my latest videos. So let's open the box and see what's in there. You have a DVD cover. You have a Phillips head small screwdriver. You have the caddy itself, and the hard disk will go here like this. And you have some screws so to fasten the hard disk on the caddy like this. I want to bring to your attention something, that there are two sizes of caddies. This one is a 12.7 millimeters, and you have another size that is 9.5 millimeters. As you see here on the box, it says 12.7 millimeters. So make sure which one fits your laptop. You can simply ask the seller on Amazon and he will respond to you promptly. This is what I've done for this laptop. So let's start now by installing the caddy. First, for this laptop, we need to remove this back cover here. It may be different for your laptop, but it's fairly easy. To remove this back cover, it has two screws here. So let's remove them. And this simply slides like that. And here, as you see, I have the DVD drive here, and it is attached to the laptop by one screw. And this is most certainly the case in other laptops too. You need to remove the screw here. I removed it. And now simply you can slide the DVD out. See how it slides out? And you see it is attached here. This is the SATA connection that will provide power and data to the hard disk caddy. It has the same here, as you see. This is the caddy here, and this is the DVD. So these are the same height here. And this is what I was talking about, the 12.7 millimeters. Yours might be 9.5 millimeters. And as you see, this is the caddy. And I have an old hard drive, which is a Toshiba hard drive. So I'm gonna be installing it. Make sure here that the pins will align. So it goes like this. And it simply slides like that. And now the drive is secured here. We need now to secure it with the screws that were provided with the hard drive caddy. Now we still need to install this part here, remove it from the DVD drive, and install it onto the hard drive caddy so that we can secure it into the laptop. It has two small screws here. We need to remove them. So it should install in these two small holes here. So now it's secure here. When it goes into the laptop, it can be secured. Now you see that the hard drive is secure in place. We need to insert it in place of the DVD-ROM here. Now before we insert it, I'm gonna show you something. Here, the caddy, it came with a cover so that it looks good on the laptop. If you don't need your DVD cover here, you can simply remove it and install it here. It will be better than the cover that comes with the caddy. So this is what I'll be doing. Usually it has a small pin somewhere to remove. So the pin is here. I'm just gonna push it like this and then slide the top cover like this. Careful not to break it. And here it is, as simple as that. And it is removed, so it will be attached here and here. It should attach without any problem. And here it is, secured and attached. So let me now slide it in and secure it. And you see here that we need to install the screw to secure it in place. And now I can simply reinstall the back cover of the laptop here. So I'll be switching now to the screen recorder on this laptop when I turn it on, and show you how it will recognize the second hard drive that we just installed. Now I turned on my laptop, and let's see if the hard drive appears. And as you see, it is here. It's empty now, completely empty. And it was mounted and ready to be used. That was it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.